Traffic congestion along the primary roads in Moore County's urban areas is steadily growing. Sections of NC 5, US 1, US 15501, NC 211, and NC 2 are already congested. In fact, most Moore County residents encounter delays traveling the primary links between the communities of Pinehurst, Aberdeen, Southern Pines, Foxfire Village, Taylortown, and Whispering Pines, but both through and local traffic are contributing to the deteriorating conditions. Developments like Seven Lakes and Pinewild, as well as area amenities like world-class golf courses, First Health Moore Regional Hospital, and growing commercial centers put additional strain on the roadway system. The hospital alone employs more than 3,000 workers and volunteers. ncdot and Moore County are asking citizens to help balance the county's transportation needs with the preservation of local resources.
This farm has been in my family almost 100 years, about 98 years. This farm is 750 acres, and about 600 of it is an active longleaf pine management. This tract is one of the largest tracts in Moore County and possibly one of the larger tracts in North Carolina of 100% longleaf. I would hope that people would think about preserving tracts like this.
We're asking you to help locate a general corridor for the Western Connector and participate in the decision-making process to determine where connecting a southern Moore County bypass to the existing roadway system would best benefit the communities it will serve.